Hello guys, welcome back to Cake Creation. This is Photoshop Basics course and now we are going to see some seriously useful tools. That is the healing brush tool and the clone stamp tool. Like seriously, these are really useful tools in terms of fixing your old photos, removing unnecessary things from the background, and your best friend when it comes to photo manipulations. So without further delay, let's get into it. First of all, let's start with the healing brush tool. Just select the healing brush tool or just click and hold. If you're not seeing the healing brush tool, you will find under the spot healing brush tool over here, or just press J with your keyboard. And as the name suggests, it is the brush to heal your photos, all the imperfections or scratches on your old photos. All that can be fixed by this tool. So let's open a photo. So here we have our photo, and as you click with the healing brush tool, you will get this error. That means you have to first define a source. What is a source? Actually, healing brush tool just copies the texture from one place to another. So you have to give it a sample texture first. To have a sample, just hold the Alt key and click anywhere similar to that texture area. Now, as you sample the texture, you will see wherever you put your cursor, you will see the same texture. So you can understand which texture are you copying. And to heal an area, for example, I just want to heal this particular area, so I will just click once on it and boom, it's gone. As simple as that. Just keep clicking on the area you want to heal and you are good to go. Now, healing brush tool is good for such a small area like what I have did, but if you're trying to patch a large area, it will just mess up. And when you click and hold the healing brush tool, you will find a spot healing brush tool under that tool. So it is a simpler version of the healing brush tool. You don't have to pick a sample first, then paint. What it does, it automatically detects the pattern and try to fill it. It is kind of a healing brush tool for beginners. Although it has the same problem, you cannot fix the large area with this brush. Next we have the patch tool. This is also in the same section. If you click and hold, you will find patch tool also. Now you can use this tool for smaller and medium sized areas, not large. Again, just make a random selection over the area you want to heal and drag that out like this. The next tool we have is content aware move tool. This particular tool is only available for the 2020 and 2020 plus versions. What it does is you have to select a particular area. This, when you move it and click on this tick or just press enter, it analyzes where you took the piece from in and it fills the area. It's time for our second tool, which is the clone stamp tool. You can say that it's a updated version of the healing brush tool because it works the same way, but it is more advanced. So let me show you how it works. First of all, select this tool. You will find this after the brush tool, and with this tool you have to select a sample area first, just like we did in the healing brush tool. Now let me show you the difference between the healing brush tool and the clone stamp tool. Watch carefully. So what I'm going to do is use the healing brush tool on the one eye here and use the clone stamp tool on the other eye here, and you will see the difference. Now, as you can see the difference, there's so much difference. Basically what healing brush tool is doing is just copying the similar texture but not the color and not the brightness. It just copies the texture and tries to blend it with the existing colors and brightness. But with the clone stamp tool, it exactly copies the similar area, like the same area wherever you click. And that's the huge difference between the healing brush tool and the clone stamp tool. You can use the clone stamp tool as a healing brush, but you have to be more precise with it. Or the healing brush tool is more like auto-tuned for healing. And not just for healing, you can use the clone stamp tool for various purposes, for like duplicating a particular area or removing something from the area, which will also work perfectly. I have already done a video on how to remove persons from the backgrounds. If you're interested, I will leave the link in the description somewhere. Let me show you one more use of the clone stamp tool. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to increase the length of the hair by using clone stamp tool, and sometimes clone stamp tool works better with the large area. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more such content, and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.